In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert blank pages into a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Whether you're organizing documents or just need a bit more space, adding blank pages can be incredibly useful, and thankfully, Adobe Acrobat Pro makes it a relatively simple process. Remember, this feature is only available in Acrobat Pro as Acrobat Reader doesn't support page insertion. So let's dive into the two most common methods to get the job done. For our first method, we'll be using the Organize Pages tool, which is perfect for a more permanent solution. First, open the PDF file you're working on with Acrobat Pro. Once it's opened, head over to the Tools pane, and from there, select Organize Pages. This tool gives you a comprehensive view of your document, making it easy to manage. In this thumbnail view, you'll find an option to Insert. From the Insert menu, choose Blank Page. This step is where you decide the location of your new page. Decide whether you'd like to place your blank page before or after any selected page in your document. Once you've chosen your preferred location, go ahead and click OK to finalize your choice. With the new blank page now integrated into your document, it's crucial to save the document to ensure that the changes are applied. And just like that, you have successfully added a blank page using the Organize Pages method. Now let's explore the second method, which involves using page thumbnails and offers a quicker way to insert pages. Start off again by opening your PDF in Acrobat Pro. To enable the page thumbnails pane, look to the left side of the interface where you'll find an icon that resembles a sheet of paper, or it might be labeled as pages or thumbnails depending on your setup. Once this pane is visible, you'll be able to see all the pages of your document laid out as thumbnails. Find the spot between two page thumbnails where you want the new blank page to appear. Click in that space, and you should see an option to insert blank page pop up. Alternatively, you might also find an Insert Pages dialog available from the right-hand toolbar, offering a similar result. Once your blank page is inserted, remember to save your document so that all your edits remain intact. And that's it. You now have two effective methods to insert blank pages into your PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in navigating the page insertion tools within Acrobat Pro. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Adobe Acrobat tips and tutorials. Your support means a lot and keeps us motivated to bring you more content like this.